This 1 Degree Outside video is brought to you by Bell Tower Commercial Real Estate Group, reimagining and revitalizing properties across the Merrimack Valley. From property management to brokerage, sales, and consulting, Bell Tower helps connect the right spaces with the right people, strengthening communities one building at a time. Ready to elevate your property? Head to belltowercregroup.com to get started.
Beach boating and coastal marine forecast for Thursday. Meteorologist Danielle Noyce here with a number of showers, downpours, and even thunderstorms anticipated. Our app is your friend. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's free. Thousands of 5-star reviews. You will love it. We've got the hourly 14-day forecast. And on a day like Thursday, the interactive radar is key. Make sure your location is turned on to and the alerts as well in case anything does pop up. Of course, we'll always have all the weather information on our stream, which is continuous 24/7 at 1degreeoutside.live. All right. Wave action offshore on Thursday is about 4 to 6 feet. But notice by the time we get to later in the day on Thursday and by Thursday evening and night, we jump up 6-7 footers here from offshore, the coastline of Maine, Wilkinson Basin, Jordan Basin, and then to the Emerald Basin early on Friday morning. Briefly, some 8-footers likely off the coastline of Nova Scotia by Friday afternoon and evening. 4 to 6 foot seas offshore. Closer to the coast, it's a 2 to 3 foot sea with a shifting wind on Friday and then lowering wave action during the day on Saturday. Let's focus on Thursday, though. Wind coming in off the ocean out of the southeast, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Warm front coming in too. So a lot of times along these boundaries, we get pockets of rain, we get downpours, we get some thunder, we get areas of clouds and pockets of fog as well. So it's an unsettled day to be out there. Temperatures right around 70. The humidity does go up, particularly for the second half of the day as that surge of warmer and humid air comes in. Low UV index with the clouds and showers, early afternoon high tide, and the rip current risk from still a well-distant Hurricane Gabrielle is still high, particularly either side of about high tide along the south-facing coastline, New Hampshire seacoast, and south coast of Maine as well. 1 to 3 foot wave action for Thursday afternoon along the south coast, 10 to 20 mile per hour sustained wind. But I put the gusts on here and we'll see some numerous gusts that go 20 to 30 miles per hour. Some gusts over 30 possible off the eastern tip of Long Island. Now in eastern Massachusetts, you get right at the coast. It's a 1 to 2 foot sea, but then it bumps up 3 feet. Boston Harbor buoy points east to about 4 and even some isolated 5-foot wave action near Wilkinson Basin and up towards Platts Bank. That's where the wind is going to gust around 30 miles per hour. Close to the coastline, we'll probably still have some gusts 20 to 30 occasionally over the course of the afternoon. 3-foot wave action along the Maine coastline, 2-footers or 1 to 2 feet in the most sheltered bays, and then 4-footers off the coastline of Maine that will again increase for the second half of the day especially. Notice some deeper yellows in here too. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a few isolated gusts that go over 30 or 35 miles per hour south of Three Dory Ridge. Most gusts about 20 to 30 mile per hour range. If you want a more detailed nearshore, offshore, tropical forecast, 1 Degree Outside enthusiast membership is for you. We update a discussion 3 times a week, and there are daily updating maps. Check it out. All the info and additional membership levels on there as well are at membership.1degreeoutside.com.